In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Disney Plus using GCash. If you've been wanting a quick, secure way to start your Disney Plus subscription with your e-wallet, this walkthrough will make the process clear and stress-free. Before we jump in, make sure your internet connection is stable, your GCash account is active and has enough balance, and that you're on the official Disney Plus website or app available in your region. First, go to Disney. Open your preferred browser or the official Disney Plus app and head straight to the Disney Plus homepage. Always double-check the URL or your App Store listing to ensure you're using the legitimate service. This avoids sign-in issues and keeps your payment details safe. Next, click Subscribe Now. This is your starting point for setting up a new subscription. After you click it, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your region, you may see plan details right away. Review what's included, then continue. If you're using a browser, keep the page open and let it load fully. Using the back button can sometimes interrupt the flow and make you repeat steps. Here, enter your number. When the page asks for your mobile number, type it carefully and double-check for any typos before submitting. In many cases, you'll receive a one-time verification code via SMS. Enter that code promptly so your login can be confirmed. If the code doesn't arrive within a minute, use the resend option and make sure your phone has a strong signal. Avoid sharing this code with anyone. It's meant only for you to verify your login. Once you're logged in, that's the time you can choose GCash as the payment method. On the payment screen, look for e-wallet options and select GCash. You'll be redirected to authorize the payment securely. Follow the prompts to confirm, then wait for the success message to appear. If you don't immediately see GCash, try refreshing the page, switching to another supported browser, or confirming that Disney Plus and GCash are both set to your correct country or region. Also, ensure your GCash has sufficient balance or an attached funding source to complete the transaction smoothly. That's it. You've gone to Disney, clicked Subscribe Now, entered your number to log in, and selected GCash to pay. If everything went through, you're ready to stream. Enjoy your shows, and if you ever run into hiccups, repeat the steps carefully and check your region, balance, and internet connection before trying again.